Welcome back. If you're like me, your camper came without a shade on the door. I just got this one online, so here it is. Pretty easy to put in, so let's get to it. So the first thing you want to do is take this rubber band off. Pretty simple to take off, you just pull it off. And then you're going to unwrap it. This is how it comes in the box. So just unwrap this whole thing, and once you get it unwrapped, according to the instructions, they want you to tie another knot about 1/2 inch up. So I'm going to do that. Now I got the knot about 1/2 inch up, and so we're going to go and install it now. This part goes in the bottom, and the flat part is going to face up, so it's just going to sit in there like that. Pretty easy. And we're going to put it in now. So first thing you want to do is just undo these 4 little clips right here. Just pull them back and forward. And they're pretty easy to move. I'm just doing it with my hands. And then once you get those forward, then you can grab your shade. You're going to want to put it in sideways. Make sure the part that comes down is facing down. You're going to push it up as high as you can and then lock it into place in the top. Once you got it locked in place in the top, then you can pull it down, make sure it moves up and down smoothly, and then you can move the bottom part in. Again, the flat part's going to face up, so you're just going to maneuver it on in there till it goes in. You're going to want to make sure your cords are put down here in the bottom so they're out of the way and don't get stuck on anything, so tuck them in there. Once you get them tucked in, then you can pull this down as far as you can. It's going to feel like it's going to break. It's not going to, though. And then once you push it down, then you can lock it into place. Once you get it locked into place, then you're going to want to make sure it works properly. Pull it up and down. So as you can see, it's pretty easy. And if you need to, you can adjust it a little more, maybe move that knot, but mine was actually pretty good, so it should slide up and down pretty easy. It's not like amazingly simple to move up and down, but it's good enough to keep the daylight and sunlight out of there, and that's what you want. Thanks, and I'll see y'all next time.